Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I have got the Moody Vibes Sketchbox grab bag. So I'm very excited to open this up. If there is a white Sharpie China pencil in there, I ordered that separately, so it's not part of the grab bag. Let's have a look. See what we've got. Okay, so first thing we've got the Sketchbox Signature Flat Shader number 6. Let's have a look. Okay, very nice. So I love that they put paintbrushes in and the surface as well. Let's have a look. There we go, there's the surface. What have we got? Ooh, Strathmore Toned Blue Mixed Media Vellum Surface. Ooh, 10 sheets, 4 by 6 inches, and 300 GSM. Oh, it's interesting. I've not used anything like this before, so that'll be fun to play with and experiment. Oh, what's this? Oh, Derwent Graphitint. Oh, I'm hoping these are different to the ones I've already got. Let's have a look. We've got Juniper, Green, Grey and Cocoa. And they are some beautiful colours there. This is the Moody Vibes grab bag. So I'm very excited for these colours. Oh, what's this? Woodless Graphite Pencil. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I feel like they might have sent me something similar before. So, what have we got? 4B, 10B, 12B, 8B, 2B and 6B. Well, they're going to be fun to play with anyway. Ooh, got cute little squares. For wet and dry media, 300 GSM, hot press. What was the other one? For wet and dry media, so I think that's hot press as well. So I think cold press is when it's like dimpled. I'm not sure. That would be nice. You can see me using them a lot. Oh, another paintbrush. Oh, Princeton Select, a 1/4 inch angular shader. Very nice. What else do we have? Oh, I've got Tombow, alcohol based. Got any colours? Tombow ABT Pro, oh, P947, that'll be the colour. And we've got a brush tip on one end and a chisel on the other. Very nice. Ooh, another Cowan Brush Marker Pro. Can't remember what the other colour I've got. I think I've only got one other of these. So it'd be nice to add to the collection. Has it got a colour on there? Skin 1, or maybe Skin 1.200. Not quite sure it fits in with the Moody Vibes, but it's fine. Got a Copic multi-liner in brown, 0.1. Whoa, that is very fine. Don't know if you can see how fine that is. Oh, maybe on here. Yeah. Cool, I do love the Copic multi-liners. I don't know if I've got any that small. That'd be fun to use. Oh, what's this? Oh, is it a Sakura jelly roll? Oh, it's a click. Very exciting. Not got one of these. I used to have some jelly rolls back in the day. Don't know if I've still got them. Might do. What's this? USA General's Cedar Point 2 HB. Okay, so we've got a pencil with a rubber on the end. Oh, what's this? Liquid graphite. That's going to be fun to make a mess with. else have we got? Ooh, an Albrecht Dürer Faber-Castell in walnut brown. Oh, I think that means it's a watercolour pencil. So that'll be good. Ooh, tinted charcoal paint pan set by Derwent. So I've got something that came in a little box like this. I can't remember exactly what they were. Let's have a look. What colours? White, dark moss, glowing embers, burnt embers, thistle and mountain blue. I was going to call it mountain bike, but no, it's definitely mountain blue. So they're pretty. Oops. And no, I haven't got my pencil, so I'm going to have to contact them. Okay, there's a little Sketchbox sticker. And oh, I guess these are Derwent as well. The Graphitint. Let's have a look. Yeah, they look like they might be Derwent Graphitint. Do they match the pencils? Maybe. Green grey. Could be that one. Juniper. That looks a bit more blue. Then we've got the cocoa, so it could be cocoa. But very nice. Okay, so I've got some water. And let's have a play. I will actually go and get some masking tape. I'll be back. I'm back. So I think I might do swatching out, and then I'll do some artwork with them. Okay, let's start with the pencils. So we've got the regular 2HB. Okay, that feels nice and soft. What's the rubber like? Hard rubber. Yeah, it rubs out okay. Wow, I know, not keen on that rubber. Okay, so we've got the Albrecht Dürer Faber-Castell in walnut brown. And I will get one of these paint brushes. Which one shall I use? I'll use the flat shader number 6. Okay, see what how it blends out like. Oh, very nice. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty. Okay. So what else? We've got more pencils. So these are the Graphitint. Oh, and these look like they're water soluble as well. So green grey and juniper and cocoa. I don't know about anyone else, but juniper always reminds me of Black Mirror. They seem to keep referencing the old people's home in there. I was like binge watching them again, and it really kind of became apparent that they were using it a lot, and you watch them one after another in quick succession. Okay, very nice. They don't blend out as well as the Faber-Castell. They are, but still very pretty. So if you're not wanting well, I could be doing it wrong, obviously, but if you're not wanting a completely dissolved effect, then this will be nice. Okay, so that's them done. What else have we got? Let's have a look at the Cowan marker. Does it need to shake? Let's move these up a bit. Okay, and the ink is already primed and ready to go. We have kind of a peachy, well, as it says, skin tone, so a peachy skin tone. And let's have a look at the Copic multiliner in brown. Doesn't feel as soft as the 1mm. I suppose it wouldn't do, and it's fine. But that's okay. Oh, let's have a look at the Sakura jelly roll. Does this need time? No, it's already there. Let it go on top of there. Yes, I'd say so. That's fun. Okay. See how much this goes through to the other side because it's alcohol based. Okay, so it's quite a light coating. Doesn't show too badly, so that could take quite a few layers, I reckon. Okay, so that's all of them. Let's have a look at these charcoal pencils. Shall we do them in order? There's a 2B there. Okay. And let's do a bit of that as well. And what's the next one? 4B. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 6B. Definitely feels slight darkness increasing as you go up. Oh man, I've got all stuff on there. Definitely got to be careful. I'm making a mess. Of course they're just full. They're woodless graphite pencils, so yeah, we're going to make a mess. Oh, that's very dark. Oh, and very nice and soft. I like that. And then 12. Wow, okay. Interesting. Right, let me dip my hands in my paint water and try and clean them off. Oh my word. Okay, yes, Michelle gets messy. Right. Okay. Let's have a look at the tinted charcoal paint pan set. Okay, let me bring the water over a bit closer. Okay. This one looks like a brown. Okay. Oh, that's a nice moody blue. Oh, that's a nice brown. I like that nice deep dark brown. Oh, I think that's a bit tainted by the previous colours. Oh, nice green. Let's see if I can get that white back to white. Let's see if we can get a better representation. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a bit better. That's a good one to mute down the colours. So let's have a look at these. Oh, maybe these are the... Yeah, I think they are the Derwent Graphitint. Oh, now that is a gorgeous blue. Oh, it's quite a vibrant green. And this one. Beautiful. Okay. So, oh, got the I'll take this off first. A shake. Now, I think I've got one of these. I don't know if I've used it. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, it's already open and ready. So let's see if it comes out. Might be clogged. Okay, that's not going to come out. Haven't got any needles to hand. Any pins? Oh, do you know what? It's got a cap. It's up the top though, instead of on top of the neck there. Okay. Oops. Okay, so scissors. Let's see if I can dislodge it. This is where I cause trouble. Ooh. Okay, push it in. And I need 2 sets of hands. Ah, no. Yep, no, yep, got it. Okay. Ah. Okay, Michelle, don't make a mess. Okay. Oh, I think I need that because we... Oh, no, we do have a lid. Hey, dear. Oh, look. Can I do little... Oh. Okay, that will take a lot of practice to get used to, but we'll see how they dry. I don't know if it's going to happen by the time the end of the video, but I might take a photo and add it. We shall see. Right, so I'm going to use this. Let's tape off the edges. Oh, I've already got it charcoaly. That's okay. I think we've embraced the mess today with woodless graphite pencils. I think it's inevitable. That is roughly done. Okay, right. Do I want to start with some graphite? Dare I do it? Oh, did I check if it was water soluble? Alright, I'm going to hold one. No, I'm not. I might do a bit in the end. Right, okay, let's do... Okay, what colour do we want? Okay, let's get this in so we've got a colour reference. Okay. What colour should we have? Oh, mate. Where did all that come from? Okay, what colour do we want? I like the really dark brown. Okay. So I'm just going to have some squiggles. And then I made the little pot dirty. Let's get the big pot. Right, I'm going to try and see if I can do less is more today. We shall see. Michelle likes to go over the top. Okay. So let's have, I do like these. 2, 3, 4, 6. I think this greeny colour. This should be that green. And then, oh, that does not look green. Oh, no, that's the green. Okay. Do some green. Confused myself with the 2 white sections. Yes, I've not really got a plan, but let's see what happens. Oh, let's put a bit of white on. Okay, dirty white. It's dirty white because it picks it up from the previous colour. might add a bit of a highlight. We shall see. We shall see. Okay. Okay, I think I want some more of this one. I do like that dark. Just along the bottom. Okay. That's more the green. I also like the darkness. Right, what do I want to use next? That is a very good question. What have we got? Oh, what's that? Oh, that was using the graphite like a paint. I might do some of that. Oh, don't get too much on. Okay. Oh, it's very wet. I think I need to dry it off. I think it wants to be wet. Okay. Try again. Yeah. Okay. And I do want some more. Maybe some lines within these lines. Okay. What else? Right. Oh, I've got this. Do I want to use this? I think I'm going to do some circles. Is this dry? I think it's dry. Oh, it feels a little bit wet. Oh, okay. A few dots there and around, just a few dots down here as well. I say dots, more circles. Let's go all the way to the top. Okay. See how well this will show up. I don't know if that's the paper making the noise or the pen making the clicking noises. Some dots. Who doesn't love a dot? I definitely do anyway. Okay. There we are. I think I'm done because I don't really know what I'm doing. So, what have I used? I've used that. Oh, put the lid back on that, Michelle. Right, I've used that. I've used that. Oh, mind the graphite. I've used that. that, them three. Did I want some of the woodless pencil on top? Maybe. I'm going to hold it with this though, because I don't want to get graphite everywhere. Let's go for the darkest one, shall we? Oh, 10B, almost the darkest, that's okay. Ah! Right, so I think just a bit there, just to say I've used it. There we go. So let's peel the tape, see what it looks like. Oh, hope it's not going to tear too much. I haven't got my heat gun to hand, so it's okay. Oh. It's okay. We're not making a masterpiece, we're just having a play and experiment. Oh dear, yeah, it does. Oh, it doesn't like this tape, this paper. Oh my word, that's even worse. Let's try this end. Oh, where's it gone? There we go, embrace the imperfections. Okay, so what do you think? Moody vibes? I think so. There we go, so this is all the stuff in the Sketchbox for this month. Well, the Sketchbox grab bag, should I say. Can't get the actual, and that as well. Can't get the actual Sketchboxes because they don't send them to the UK. You can, and I buy them from their sister shop, shopsketch.com, I believe. So yeah, there we go. This is the grab bag. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.